Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram stories more private and stop others from sharing them in messages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable sharing your stories in messages using the Instagram app on your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer or access Instagram through your browser and log in to your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side menu. Here you'll see several icons. Find the one labeled More. This icon usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on the More icon to expand additional options. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust all sorts of preferences for your account. Now, look for the section called Sharing. Click on it to open your sharing settings. Inside the sharing section, you'll find an option related to stories in messages. This is the setting that controls whether people can share your stories via direct messages. To disable this, simply toggle off the option for Stories in Messages. Once you've turned this off, your followers and other users will no longer see the paper airplane icon below your stories. That means they won't be able to send your stories to others through messages. This quick change is an effective way to keep your stories visible only to the audience you choose, giving you more control over your content and privacy. By following these steps, you've successfully prevented others from sharing your Instagram stories and messages while using your PC. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might want to keep their stories private too. Enjoy a more secure